Hey friends, and welcome to another video from Proverbs 27:9 Fragrances, and doing a revisit on one of the very first videos that I ever did, and it is a package from Johnny Slicks, which is a men's grooming company, and I had to restock on my beard oil, and so just kind of wanted to do not only an unboxing on it, because I have done that in the previous video, which that was kind of a haul. This one, just really kind of wanting to do more of a review of the fragrance. A lot of people don't think about beard oils as being a fragrance, but and some of them are, and some of them are not. Just some marketing things that they stuck in there. But this one definitely is. You know, some brands. This stuff is wrapped up in a lot of paper. Hold on. Some brands you get kind of an unscented beard oil, and it's just meant to moisturize your skin and soften your beard, really. But this beard oil, it is like wearing a nice fragrance, and then on top of that, it has excellent an excellent aroma to it. So this is the Omega beard oil, and they have several different scents. This is one of their more masculine, woodsy scents, but it has a lot going on with it, okay? It's not just woods. How it comes is it comes in a medicine dropper, and I'm tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and use it. And what I do is I get about that much. Here's the whole medicine dropper. So it's not quite half. In fact, I'm going to go a little bit less than that. I usually get about a quarter to a third of a medicine dropper full. You put it in the palm of your hand. All right. And then you rub those hands together, and then you just massage it up into your beard. This would have been a good video for me to go in front of the camera for, but y'all know what I'm doing there. I'm just massaging it up into my beard. I wear my beard short as far as, it's not skin close. It's about a 3 guard. So about, I think a 3 is around 3/16 of an inch to a quarter. It's probably a quarter of an inch or a little more, because I hit it about every other week, and so it'll get out to maybe 3/8 of an inch long. Then I'll trim it back down, and so I keep a short beard. And this beard oil really softens the beard hair. It really moisturizes your face. Helps to. Of course, I don't have any kind. I've been wearing a beard long enough. I don't have any kind of itching or anything. But if you've got a new beard, it'll help with the itching. But really, what I'm wanting to talk to you about is the fragrance, because I've got a friend who turned me on to this particular brand, and the reason why is because every time he walked in a room, and I'm talking about this guy's one of my best friends, and he's an associate of mine at our church, and you can smell him. Our church sanctuary's got 30-foot ceiling in it, and it's a large room, and you can smell him when he's walking up to you in a big wide open space. When I'm sitting in his office talking with him, we're 6-8 feet apart. I can smell him. He's projecting, and I was like, "What is that? I've got to know." And he said, "It's my." I knew it wasn't. I didn't think it was a spray-on fragrance. I really thought it was his pomade, but he said it's my beard oil, and it lasts. It's beast mode. It lasts all day long. If you wear this beard oil, you almost don't need to wear another fragrance. If you do, kind of wear a complementary fragrance, so some type of woody fragrance or something like that, or at least a like a, maybe a fougere. I'm wearing today with this, I'm wearing Jean Barbatos Vintage. Other fragrances I like to wear are in the video: Bottega Veneta Parfum Jaguar for men. Something that's going to be woody and very masculine complements it well. But you can wear just this beard oil and you'll be the best smelling guy in the room. Let me tell you the notes. Top notes are bergamot, lemon, cardamom, and grapefruit. So that sounds like, a great citrus opening, right? A little spicy with the cardamom. Then you've got lavender, you've got lime, jasmine, rose, coconut, black pepper, and cinnamon in the mid. So again, you've got some more spices with the black pepper and the cinnamon. You've got this aromatic element with the lavender, and then you've got some more citrus there with the lime and with the coconut. Kind of this, gives it this little distinguishing vibe. Then you've got jasmine and you've got rose, so it's got a beautiful, just kind of a slightly floral mid, which goes really well in masculine fragrances. Then on the base, you've got cypress, tonka bean, cedarwood, and musk, sandalwood, vanilla, and amber. Guys, that is a banger list of notes, and it is really well blended and comes across. This smells so smooth, because it's mixed with these real nice oils. The oils they use, I know they use, is it jojoba? Is that how you say that? Argan oil, jojoba oil, Brazilian nut oil, and sweet almond oil is what they use as their oil blend. And it comes across very natural. It's a little spicy, a little woody. It's a little aromatic with the lavender to kind of, I would describe it as a woody fragrance with citrus fougere nuances. It's really nice. Again, I'm not paid by them or anything. These are all unsolicited. It's just a really good fragrance, and I use this as my fragrance of the day. At least one day a week, I will just wear the Omega beard oil because, again, performance-wise, it lasts all day long. I get about 8 to 10 hours out of it. And as far as its blast and its sillage, it's a beast. You can smell it. I'm talking about 10, 12 feet away. You can smell it, but it's not like it's over choking you or overpowering you. It just smells really good. So $22, I think is what it is. You can usually get a code and get it for about 18. It lasts about 6 months if you use it. I use it about, I would say, twice a week, and that bottle lasts me about 6 months. So hey, it's a great one. Y'all check it out. Let me know what you think. If you've got a different beard oil that you think does the job, let me know. But this one is definitely for those that love fragrances. All right, like and subscribe. Till we see you down the road, we say God bless and frag on, frag fam.